Hi everyone. So in this video, we will look into the first customization that you can do with the GitHub Copilot CLI, and that is custom instructions. So as you know, like every project has its own vibe. Like maybe your team insists on using some specific testing libraries, or maybe you have a very particular way of structuring your folders, or you might have specific styling preferences. Normally you would have to explain that to the AI every single time you start a new chat, and that's a massive waste of your time as well as the tokens. So this is where custom instructions come in. Think of it like giving Copilot a cheat sheet or briefing on how you would work, how the world, your world works for you before you even start the conversation. You just write it down once. Copilot reads these instructions in the background and tailors its answers to fit your project perfectly. Now we will see how we organize these instructions based on how much of the project they should cover. So we have four main levels where you can store these instructions, and Copilot checks this in specific order. So first is repository wide, and the location for this is like you create a .github folder in your at your repository level and create a file like copilot-instructions.md file, markdown file, and put all these instructions in this file in plain English format. And these rules will these are the global rules and they will apply to the whole project. The second one is path specific instructions, and you can create another folder inside your .github folder at the repository root level and name it using name.instructions.md, and here name is a placeholder. So basically here you can have something like frontend.instructions.md or backend.instructions.md, and these will only apply to certain folders or file. And here we will look into this in details, like how you can apply to particular files and particular folders in next slides. The third one is agent specific, where you create agents.md file, or even you can create agent specific files like let's say cloud.md or gemini.md, and these are the special instructions to different AI models. The fourth one is your local or the personal level instructions, and you can have that at your home. Over there you can create copilot copilot folder, and over there you have to give these instructions inside the copilot-instructions.md file, and these are like your personal preferences across projects. So these are applicable not only to single project, but these will be applicable to all the projects that you work on. Now for repository wide custom instructions, as we saw, you give them inside the .github slash copilot-instructions.md file, and which apply to the whole project. And so for example, let's say we have a .NET project, and we can give this testing command, or you can give the build instructions, and like our testing command is .NET test, the project, the CS project, all the entire path. And this will help the Copilot to like whenever you will prompt somewhere around in the future time, like build this project for me, or run all my unit tests in this project, it will refer to this file and use this command to build the project. Paths, for the path specific instructions, as we saw, like you can name it using the frontend.instructions.md or backend.instructions.md, and these will be applicable only to the certain folders or files that match the certain pattern. Here they use like the glob syntax, which is used for your normal like git ignore file as well. And the at the start of the file we create the front matter block containing the apply to keyword, and in front of the apply to you can create all the matching folders or the matching matching files, and that particular instructions after this will be applicable only to these particular folders and the files. So once you create all such files, let it be the path specific instructions or repository wide instructions. The instructions in the files are available for use by the Copilot as soon as you save these files, and the instructions are automatically added to the request that you submit to the Copilot after you basically create these files in the next sessions of Copilot. So in next video we will see a quick demo for this and the main motivation for this as well.